to go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by.
Hello guys, so Mania posted a video of the latest training session, and in this video you can hear Last by Burna Boy playing in the background of this training session. So if you're seeing this channel for the very first time, I will appreciate if you subscribe so as to get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. So Mania posted a video of the latest training session, and you can hear in the background the song by Burna Boy Last, which is the most trending song in the world right now. If you could remember, we did a video about the song being on the billboard Hot 100, guys. This is a very big one for Burna Boy, and the song Last I believe is going to get a Grammy for Burna Boy and his team. So I would like to know your own opinion about this, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys.